Hello, my dears. Hi, everyone. Today, I am going to explain some problems related to rationals and irrationals. It is for class 9. First question is evaluate 4 minus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5 plus 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. You have to evaluate, it means solve, simplify it. Solution we have 4 minus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5, 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. We take LCM of 4 plus root 5 and 4 minus root 5, 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. As for example, suppose 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Then LCM of 2 and 3 will be product of 2 and 3. Similarly, LCM of 4 plus root 5 and 4 minus root 5 product of this 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. Then cross multiply 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5, 4 minus root 5 to the whole square. 4 plus root 5, 4 plus root 5 to the whole square. Then a minus b to the whole square. A minus b to the whole square, and there is a plus b to the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 4 square 16, root 5 square 5, 2 4 8, 8 into root 5, 8 into root 5, 8 root 5 plus 16 plus 5 minus 8 root 5 plus 8 root 5 and minus 8 root 5. There will be plus, there will be minus. Plus 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5 will be cancelled. 16 plus 5 and 16 plus 5, 42 by 16 minus 11, 4 square 16, root 5 square 5, 42 upon 11. Hence proved. Hence solved. Hence solved. Second question is 4 minus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5, 2 upon 5 plus root 3, 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus root 3 is equal to 52 upon 11. You have to prove. Okay, LH is equal to 4 minus root 5 upon 4 plus root 5 and 4 plus root 5 upon 4 minus root 5. You take together, and this value and this you take together. Value of this 42 upon 11 you can put directly, but in the exam you have to solve completely. Do not put direct value. So 42 upon 11, LCM of 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So 2 into 5 minus root 3 and 2 into 5 plus root 3. 42 upon 11. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into minus root 3 minus 2 root 3, 2 into 5 10, 2 into plus root 3, 2 into root 3. Plus minus will be cancelled. 10 10 20, 42 plus 20. Okay, we'll take LCM of 11 and 22. LCM will be 22. So 11 2 ja 22, 42 2 ja 84. 22 1 ja 22, 21 ja 20. 84 plus 20, 104 by 22. After solving 52 upon 11, 52 2 ja 104 and 11 2 ja 222. So it is equal to RHS. Hence proved. In last you can write hence proved. Third number question is using the following figure so that BD is equal to under root x. BD is equal to under root x. In the given figure, BD is given. Question is using the following figure using the following figure so that BD is equal to under root x and figure is one semicircle is given. One semicircle is given. There is A, there is C, there is B, and there is D. BD is perpendicular to AC. There is center O. OD is hypotenuse. OD is hypotenuse. BD is perpendicular. You have to prove BD is equal to under root x. In the figure given that AB is equal to x, AB is equal to x and DC is equal to 1. Okay. As we know that in the right angle triangle, if two sides are known, then third side we can find with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is a square of the longest side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, P square plus B square. So H is equal to under root P square plus B square. There is also right angle triangle. So first you need to find OB and OD. Then you can prove BD is equal to root x. Solution. We have AB is equal to x, BC is equal to 1. Therefore, AC is equal to AB plus BC is equal to x plus 1. AC is equal to implies that OC is equal to OD is equal to OA. It is radius. O is center, so OA is radius, OD is radius, OC is radius. It is equal to half of AC. Half of AC, AC is x plus 1. It means x plus 1 upon 2. AC is equal to, OA is equal to or OD is equal to. Now we need to find OB. Now OB is equal to OC minus BC. OB is equal to OC minus BC. OC is x plus 1 upon 2 minus BC is 1. So x minus 1 upon 2. Value of OB. Now we can find BD. Now we can find BD. BD is equal to under root. BD is equal to under root OD square minus OB square. Under root OD is x plus 1 upon 2 to the whole square minus OB is x minus 1 upon 2 to the whole square. A square minus B square. Suppose it is A, it is B. A square minus B square. A minus B. A minus B into A plus B into A plus B. X plus 1 upon 2 plus X minus 1 upon 2 over root. X plus 1 minus X minus minus plus 1 upon 2 into 2x plus 1 plus x minus 1. Minus x plus 1 will be cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. 1 1 2 2 upon 2 into x 2x upon 2 over root 2 2 cancel, 2 cancel. It is equal to under root x, implies that BD is equal to under root x. Hence proved. Hence proved. This question is using the following figure so that BD is equal to under root x, but in the exam we can change the question, represent root x on the number line where x belongs to real number. X belongs to real number, you have to represent root x on the number line. So do not worry how to represent root x on the number line. The point C will represent the under root x. The point C will represent the under root x. You see one example. Only you have to replace x with the real number. You have to replace x with the real number. Any real number you can take. Represent under root 9.3 on the number line. So for representing the under root 9.3, in the place of x you have to take 9.3. It is always 1 unit. BC is equal to 1 unit. In this question BD will be under root 9.3. BD will be under root 9.3. You have to prove or you have to represent. We have AB is equal to 9.3, BC is equal to 1, therefore AC is equal to AB plus BC. AB plus BC, 9.3 plus 1 is equal to 10.3, 9 1 10, 10.3. Implies that OA is equal to OC is equal to OD. It is radius, so half of diameter is AC, half of 10.3. It is equal to 10.3 upon 2. Now we need to find OB. OB is equal to OC minus BC. OC is OC is equal to 10.3 upon 2 minus BC is 1. 10.3 minus 2 upon 2. It is equal to 10 minus 2 8. 8.3 upon 2. Similarly, BD is equal to under root OD square minus OB square using Pythagoras theorem. OD square. Only we have to replace x with 9.3. OD is 10.3 to the whole square minus 8.3 upon 2 to the whole square. A square minus B square, A minus B into A plus B. 10.3 upon 2 minus 8.3 upon 2, A minus B into A plus B. 10.3 upon 2 plus 8.3 upon 2, A minus B into A plus B. Then 10.3 minus 10 minus 8 2, 3 minus 3 0, 2.0 upon 2 into 10 8 18 3 3 6 upon 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 9 जा 2, 3 जा 2 9 जा 2, 3 जा. it is equal to under root 9.3, implies that BD is equal to under root 9.3. Thus the point C represents under root 9.3. Like this you can represent any real number on the number line. Any real number as like under root 8.5, under root 2.3, any real number with the decimal expansion you can represent like this. Thank you for watching.